Hello, everybody, and thanks for joining me for this Get Started Trading Options short video. This is a program dedicated to help traders make a consistent profit trading options. There are not any secrets here. There's no gurus. We don't speak Greek. We keep it simple. This is just a common sense approach for the common person wanting to get better returns on their money than just passively waiting to see what the market brings them. Today, we are going to answer a question I have been asked many times. What is your secret to picking options that give you a 92% winning percentage? Well, here's the thing. There are no secrets. We don't keep secrets here because we are all about helping you get started trading. We want you and other traders to be profitable trading. And so we're going to tell you how we do it. The big question is, how do we choose the stocks and options? Well, there are several things, but it starts with the criteria. You have to have a set of criteria of the stocks that you're looking for. I use spreadsheets to help winnow them down, and I use scanners. And so those are the three things we're going to talk about. There are other things, of course. We look at charts, we look at seasonality, but we're going to talk about these three things today. So let's start talking about the criteria. And you see on your screen now that I've built a spreadsheet that identifies what the criteria are. And so I input certain things like, of course, the name of the stock and the price and the expiration date, the strike price, et cetera. And these are the things that I'm looking for. Ultimately, the probability of success, I want to be 80% or more. That's a percentage that is provided by the brokerage, by whatever trading platform that you're using. So one of the real keys is this break even from the price. What we're looking for is typically 20%. Now, what I'm looking at is the stock price has to fall 20% to the strike price before we reach a break even. And you can subtract the premium from that. So typically 20%, 10% is the absolute minimum. But as you look here over a few of the trades that we have put on, you see that the percentage is usually greater than even 20%. Another criteria, we're always looking for the premium to be at least 2% of the strike price. So the strike price here is $45, and we want the premium to be at least in this particular case was $1.45, which is 3.2% of the strike price. So the minimum is 2%. If we look at the days of expiration, I like to be under 120 days. And then that is calculated by the spreadsheet here, which gives us the annualized return. Of course, the shorter time that we're in a trade, the greater the annualized return, which is what we really like because then we can get into another trade. So those are the criteria. Those are some of the criteria. Others we'll look at in another video down the road at taking a look at charts and seasonalities. But the scanners are really an important part. Most trading platforms have a scanner built into them. I use Thinkorswim, and that has an effective scanner. If your trading platform doesn't have one, there are a lot of free online tools. Finviz is a great one. You see here, there's nothing entered here into the filters, and there are 8,565 stocks listed. So you can enter in whatever filters you want, whatever criteria, and it will narrow down the list of stocks for you. That is a free one. And there are also these special scanners. This one is provided by Quantum Trading Technologies, Ryan Jones and Company. This is PDS Trader, and this is one that I use all the time. So you see for this particular date, there are 339 opportunities that I have winnowed down to 5 different stocks, which are what comes out on my extra dividend signals each week. So again, these are the things that, just a summary of the things that we're looking at. Take a look at charts. I don't want to enter into a position that's at an all-time high. Seasonal influences, the same thing. Why would you want to sell an option in a stock that seasonally is on a downtrend? So there are other things that you can look at, and we'll dive into that more at a future video. If you're interested in more information on this, I would direct you to getstartedtrading.com. That is our website, and it is packed with more information on trading options. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye for now.